Hey dolls, it's Haley. Welcome back to our channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the Doll Squad. Today I'm going to be showing you a 10-minute look lab from day to night. Let's say you're going to work during the day and you have happy hour or a date afterwards. I'm going to show you how to transform your day look into night. So stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to start off with is foundation and concealer. I'm going to create a nice base for the rest of my makeup. I don't always use a foundation from day to day, but let's say I woke up early this morning and fill in the foundation. So I'm going to be using my two Holy Grail Doll Skin and Hydrolux Concealer. This combo is incredible. Like you guys know, Doll Skin is our new foundation. It has 10 skin-loving ingredients that just make your skin look flawless. Now I'm just going to be taking the concealer, doing under my eyes, my chin, forehead, and anywhere that I want some light coverage. Now I'm going to be taking our refocus powder with our number 18 brush, and I'm just going to be setting my concealer and foundation just really lightly. I do this every day. I love this stuff. It just gives a really nice sheen and kind of like blurs out the lines of the concealer. Now I'm going to be taking our Micro Pixel bronzer, and I'm going to just contour out my cheekbones, apply a little bit on my forehead, and that's just gonna add some color. I'm not gonna go too crazy with the contour. I just have such a flat base right now. I wanna add some dimension. Okay, so one of my secrets to getting ready super fast is using my bronzer as eyeshadow. So I'm just going to be taking the same bronzer I just used all over my face, and I'm going to take a really fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to do the windshield wiper motions in the crease and blend it outwards so it can just fan out. This is my favorite makeup tip because it literally takes no effort at all. And when people always ask me, oh, what eyeshadow are you wearing? And I always say, it's my bronzer. So like I said, just windshield wiper motions in the crease. Fade it out to the brow bone just so it looks a little bit smoky. Maybe do the lower lash line. So now I'm going to be taking my all-time favorite Effort Lash Mascara and just apply a few coats to each eye to just kind of lift the lashes and open the eye a little bit more. Now to complete this daytime look, I'm going to be taking my favorite lip crayon in Kiss and Makeup. Don't look too closely because I use this like every day, but I'm just going to quickly apply it. I love these lip crayons so much because they give so much moisture as a chapstick would, but it has color as well, so it's kind of good for that everyday just throw on look. And then that's when I would follow up with concealer to complete the look. Alright, here is the daytime look. Like I said, this is so easy. It took not even 5 minutes to complete, and now let's go on to transform it into night. When I go out, I like to have a little bit of a darker lid and maybe a nude lip. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to be taking my Pro 3 palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Goddess right here, and it's this really pretty bronze color, and I'm just going to start with the same method, windshield wiper motions, and just darken up that crease. So as you can see, this eye is much darker than the previous one. We just added one shade and you can already tell a difference. I'm gonna keep going because I like, you know, the sultry look, but you can stop however much makeup you wanna wear. Do you, girl? This is just to show how versatile these palettes are. And also, bronzer as eyeshadow. If you're running late, do it. I do it all the time. Now taking the shade Cameo, I'm going to apply it in the outer V of my lid and then blend it with a clean blending brush. And then I'm going to be taking it over the lower lash line, smoking it outward. Now, like I said, I'm going to be taking a clean blending brush just to clean up the mess and blend all those shades together. The key to eyeshadow is blending. You really can't go wrong with blending it out. It just softens up the harsh lines. Now I'm going to be taking a break from the eyes for a second. I'm going to go in with a blush. I'm using our Hydrogel blush in Shameless. It's just a really pretty burnt orange shade, and I'm just going to be taking just a brush. It's a cream blush, which I love because it makes my skin look dewy. And just apply it to the apples of the cheeks. And I like to also hit the tip of my nose. Now I'm going to be using mascara, always Upper Lash for me. I just think it makes my lashes look, you know, flirty, volumized, and overall longer. So what I do is I like to twist the brush upward as I shimmy up my lashes, if that makes sense. So I'm going to just twist up as I roll up the lashes. Now onto lips. I want to go for a more dramatic lip, so I'm going to be taking our Hydrolux lip liner in the shade Icon, and I'm going to be just lining my lips. I kind of want to do a little bit of an overline, so I'm not going to go crazy, but I'm just going to follow the natural line of my lips and go a little beyond. And what I like to do when applying lip liner is I like to fade it down just so the color blends a little bit more into my lips when I apply lipstick. And finally, I'm going to be adding our lip velvet in the shade So Shy. This is my favorite lip velvet. It's such a pretty color. I'm just going to apply it to the center. Alright dolls, this is the completed night look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Also check out our Instagram at Doll10Beauty for more updates on upcoming products, and also we do every week Dolls Dish It All, so if you have any questions, make sure to look out for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye dolls!